I'm really excited to try the kangaroo balls.
I think we should start with a cheesel. Okay, so when you eat cheesel, you have to put them on your fingers. There you go.
I'd eat it.
Like, to me, that's way saltier than an American thing would be.
It pairs nice with the wine.
Twisties. I've actually had Twisties and they're delicious.
We are pairing it with Pusey Vale Eden Valley Dry Riesling.
These are cheese twisties. They also come in a chicken variety. We have chicken flavored twisties and chicken flavored chips. Chicken chips are like, I'm a vegetarian. They're the shit.
What is the difference between a Twisty and a cheesel?
These are sort of deformed, elongated. It looks like an asteroid or something.
Delicious.